live from Studio 305. Good afternoon, Florida. Be on the lookout for Hurricane Zai. This hurricane will bring high winds, heavy precipitation, inland flooding, rip currents, storm surge, storm tide, and tornadoes. This hurricane will cause many deaths if not careful. It's the most destructive. City officials are advising them to listen to weather updates, stay indoors and away from areas that have flying debris or other dangers, and to be prepared to follow instructions and planned evacuation routes. Meteorologists are saying that it started when an intense, low-pressure area formed over warm ocean water. The warm, moist air evaporated rapidly. The warm air then condensed, creating latent heat. The hurricane then created thick cumulus cloud bands that spiral around the center. The wind in the eye increased to 275 kilometers per hour. The hurricane has been seeded with freezing nuclei to reduce intensity. Although it hasn't worked in past years, scientists will still try.
Atlanta, be on the lookout for thunderstorms and lightning. Watch out for the siren to warn you. The thunderstorms formed by high moisture and rising warm air with warm and cold fronts. With thunderstorms comes lightning, forming from an electrical discharge occurring from the previous storm. Prior to this thunderstorm will causes floods and hail. Be sure to remove all dead trees and branches. Unplug all electrical equipment and stay inside at all times. I am your Channel 3 news reporter, Bianca. Stay safe. Good evening. I hope everyone is safe after this horrific storm. There are some damages and still some high winds around. We happen to be one of the areas that had a low pressure system and just happened to pass. Meteorologists measured to have a low moisture level and wind speed by observing surface and upper air. Thunderstorms have gusty winds, heavy rain, and cold to ground lightning, cloud to ground lightning. To have a slighter chance of thunderstorms, there is a condensation nuclei that causes rain to fall called cloud seeding. Cloud seeding gives off more moisture and which causes more absolute humidity and eventually more rain. Having it rain means there is less water vapor in the air, and so there will not be any moisture and warm air to start a thunderstorm, leading to lightning. Well, that would be all for today. Be safe out there, and you'll see me later. Good night, Bianca.
Tuning in to our forecast. We hope you take precautions in this severe weather. Good night from Bianca and Amaris.